Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Marvel stuff out of paper. First, gather your essential tools. You will need paper, scissors, and glue to begin your creative journey. Opt for sturdy materials like cardstock, ideally around 200 grams per square meter, for durable creations. Selecting the right adhesive is crucial for strong, lasting bonds. Additionally, using templates or stencils can help you achieve precise and consistent shapes, making your projects look professional and polished from the start. Now, let's craft some iconic Marvel props. You can recreate Captain America's shield by cutting and layering concentric circles of paper, perhaps with a diameter of 24 inches. For Iron Man's arc reactor, use layered paper and consider adding a small LED light for an authentic glow. Thor's mighty hammer, Mjolnir, can be fashioned from a paper cube for the head and a sturdy paper tube for the handle. Finally, design Spider-Man's web shooters using small paper tubes and elastic bands for a fun, wearable accessory. Next, let's explore creating wearable Marvel gear. You can build an impressive Iron Man mask by following detailed papercraft templates, ensuring a comfortable fit. Construct Black Panther's iconic claws from stiff paper, perhaps 5 inches long, and securely attach them to a pair of gloves for a powerful look. Design a Hulk fist by layering green paper over a sturdy base structure, giving it a massive appearance. Lastly, craft a Loki helmet with its distinctive horns from carefully folded and securely glued paper, perfect for cosplay. To take your paper Marvel creations to the next level, consider these advanced tips. Enhance intricate details using markers, paint, or by incorporating various colored papers for depth. Reinforce structures with additional paper layers or even small cardboard inserts for increased durability, especially for larger pieces. Experiment with different paper textures, such as corrugated or metallic finishes, to achieve unique visual effects. Most importantly, personalize your creations with custom designs and modifications, making each piece truly your own and reflecting your unique artistic vision.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.